Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you'll blur your own house on Google Maps application. So at first you have to mark your house using your pin. So let's do so, for example, somewhere here. Now we have to open Street View. And for example, somewhere here is our house. Of course, it has to be our own house and we have to be the tenants or the owner of the house. Here now we have to tap these three dots and tap report a problem. Here we have to mark our house exactly where that is on this image preview. And here we have something which is called recursive blurring. Why would you like us to blur? What would you like us to blur? We have to select my home. Here we have, I certify that I have the authority to request the blurring of this property because I am the owner or tenant. I also understand that this blurring is irreversible and cannot be undone. Here in this text area we can include our information to make Google be sure that this is our home. Here we have to add our email address, do a CAPTCHA and then submit our request. Of course you have to remember that this action cannot be undone. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.